This captivating terrazzo installation immerses visitors in nature through a stunning design that replicates the flow of a woodland creek bed. Over 800 brass leaves and hundreds of hand-cut local river rocks, ranging from 3 to 12 inches in diameter, were meticulously set into the floor to create an organic, natural aesthetic. The leaves represent 20 species native to the area, adding rich texture and color to the design. The gorgeous stones, sliced into 3/8-inch segments, were hand-laid and adjusted on site to follow the creek's flow as planned in CAD drawings. Number 3 to 5 aggregate were incorporated into the terrazzo mix, further blending the floor with its natural surroundings. The contractor expertly completed this project, maintaining an aggressive schedule while ensuring minimal disruption to visitors during construction. This intricate installation spans the lobby, gift shop, and restrooms where terrazzo was poured for a 4-inch base. The ticketing area and visitor desk take inspiration from smooth river stones, while pendant lights above evoke fireflies, stars, and raindrops, enhancing the serene atmosphere. Repurposed tree trunks serve as seating, completing the natural theme. The contractor on this impressive installation in the Missouri Botanical Garden Jack C. Taylor Visitor Center in St. Louis is Missouri Terrazzo.